This is the Jane Hatfield. Stickers for $1.99 at 209-7822. And so yeah, those are 3 colors on the back. And you can see that. Like dream big, many things to make memories, happy birthday, sunshine, those kind of things. Got a couple Maggie Home stuff that got her little puffy stickers, 64 pack, and this is for Willow Lane. Super cute little miniature stickers. $1.49. 2150199. Sorry about the lighting. Another Maggie Holmes. Stickers, clear stickers, 4 sheets. They can go a lot of collections. And that's what they look like. So you got some gold ones in there as well. 2150201. And some little roses. And 2135248 to go with bloom for $1.49. You can use this on any project. Doesn't have to go with just Maggie Holmes. Picked up a couple die sets. As you know, they had a lot of Tim Holtz stuff out. So this was the 22-piece die set. This was inspired, of course, by my grandson. And it is Cityscape Commute. 661809 is the physics number, and it was $6.49. Tim Holtz. 2119746, and that's 22 dies. Various sizes, transportation. And then this one is 10 dies for the same price, 2119743. And this one is called Shadow Script number 3. So you have the words seek, explore, wonder, and travel, and fly. So you have those 5 words, and you have the shadow as well. And this is the first time I've seen this, and it was 2146697 for $6.49. This is a Bo Bunny die set. That's the first time I saw these words, and it is called All Occasion Sentiment Dies, and it has thanks, celebrate, just because, hugs, love you, and enjoy, and some squirrels and some hearts. Nice scripty little font. And then this is the Pebbles tab and recipe card die set, and it says eat. So you can use this banner, you can use that mason jar and these tabs, 2 different sizes, and you're not limited to just using it for that, but that's a good way to do that. You can use it for a lot of different filing systems as well. 2154811 for $5.99. It's called tab and recipe card. And then just 3 spellbinders. The first one is Tropical Paradise. 4-piece set for $4.99. 2123852. It's a hibiscus and bird of paradise. Make sure all my pieces are in here. You can kind of see the sizes. So nice little flowers. The next one is the Art Deco Diamond Opulence. So this is a texture plate for $6.99, and it's 2123860. And this is 5x7. But isn't that a nice print? Very pretty. I like the Art Deco. And this was also pretty Milan medallion, and this is $6.99, and this was 2123864, 3-piece set by Stacey Karen. I'll pull that out so you can kind of see how big that is. And the largest is 5.8 by 5.8. So it would be nice on a 6x6 card. Very nice and detailed, pretty. So that is my haul from Tuesday morning. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.